Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I hope you guys been doing great. I'm Zach here. Okay, I'll bring you guys with another unboxing and review videos. Today. Guess what, guys? Can you guess what I bought today again for this time round? Actually, give you guys a little bit of background. Okay, so actually, Shopee had their the 4/4 sales recently, so I thought that it could be a good time for me to upgrade one of my gadgets, which I use to watch YouTube, Netflix, etc. Okay, so I think I got it at a pretty good price. I hope so, but if not, then today I already bought it. Okay, and of course, to come together with the item that I bought from Shopee, I got another fantastic deal from Q10 as well. Okay, so guys, can you guess what did I buy this time round? Okay, so yeah, so actually I did bought I wanted to replace my old iPad Air 2. I think I got it in like in like 2017 or 8. Okay, so I think it's around 3 to 4 years. I think it's a bit slow, but I think it's an excuse for me to buy a new gadget. But nonetheless, okay, I still bought it. Okay, I will think that it's a very good upgrade. So without further ado, guys, so today I'm going to show you guys this gadget that I bought, okay, which is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus 5G. Alright, yay, I got this. Actually, this came in the mail yesterday. Okay, I got it at I think $1,458, Sing dollars, and of course during the promo they gave me a this free keyboard cover. Alright, but unfortunately they didn't send over, so I think I reached out to them and they said that they're going to send me again. So kudos to Samsung Shopee team and also Shopee team for the fast delivery as well. So today, as I mentioned, this will be the gadget I'm going to unbox today. Not only this, okay, I also, as mentioned to you guys just now, I actually bought other things as accessories as well, okay. So I also bought the casing because I need to wait for the keyboard cover from Samsung for the redemption. I think based on the comments, I think it will take around like 1 to 2 weeks time. So I don't want to take any risk. So I bought this just in case. It's a Spigen Tough Armor Pro. I think I got this from Q10. Probably I think I spent around close to $40 for this. Okay, and another one, also from Spigen. Okay, I also brought their screen protector as well. Okay, so this is the screen protector I'm gonna paste on my Samsung Tab S7 Plus. I hope it will be idiot proof. I already screwed up my Samsung S21 Plus two time. Okay, two time I screw up the screen protector. Okay, in Samsung S21 Ultra, not Plus, Ultra. So I am going to get a new screen protector for my phone. So keep a lookout for my channel. I'm gonna review that screen protector, which I highly recommend you guys to get it. Okay, I'll let you guys know. So do remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to hear updated of my new video whenever I upload. Okay, so without further ado, guys, all right, I don't I'm just going to the unboxing video, the portion of this Samsung Tab S7 Plus. Okay, so give me a moment, guys. Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so yeah, this is the box, the box, the exterior box of the Samsung Tab S7 Plus 5G. Okay, the color that I have now is the Mystic Bronze, or in bronze in short. Okay, so the reason why I choose this is because I think the color is quite unique to me. Unfortunately, during the sales they didn't have the Mystic Navy, because that one also quite nice. So that's why I decided to go with this as well. I decided to go with this. And the variants I got is I got a 256 GB. I think Singapore only has the 256 GB if I'm not wrong. And then the 256 GB of course comes with an 8 gig RAM. Who don't like an 8 gig more RAM, right? Because I think the 128 GB version only has 6 gig. So why not, get the best out of it. Okay, so actually the front of the box is just like this. Okay, I don't think there's anything else. This is they show you the side. Okay, then I think the back is just like this. That's all. Okay, so oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. Let's take out my. Let's see. Can you guys see? Okay, let's take out my Peter, which is my go-to jackknife to do the unboxing. Okay, so let me just. Let me know where you guys can see. Alright, okay, so this is it. Okay, so this is the seal. Okay, keep it away just to make sure that it doesn't, you know, harm you or anything. Got cut with a penknife before. It's quite bad. Okay, my god, guys. My god. Let me just put it down a bit so you guys can see. Alright, so okay, so out of the box, right, guys? Okay, Samsung logo. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out. Okay, so this is it. I'll put this at the side first. Okay, I'll put it at the side first, then we'll go through it later. Okay, so what they give me in the box, right, is, you know, the charger, the UK charger. You guys see? Right? I think this is a 25-watt charger if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Yeah, this is supposed to be a 25-watt charger. Okay. So, but unfortunately they didn't give. But if I'm not wrong, the Samsung Tab S7 Plus is able to support up to 45-watt charge. Okay. So this is the cable. Is the USB-C to USB-C. Sorry, no. Yeah, it's USB-A to USB-C. Okay, can you guys see? Alright. So this is it. Alright. Okay, so the pin, because this is the 5G version. Okay, so there's this you know, SIM card tray. I think okay, and then of course this is a pen, the S Pen. Okay, can you guys see? Alright. I don't know whether is it focusing. Okay. Alright, so this is the S Pen. Okay. So I think yeah, that's it for the accessories. No more already. Alright, so this is it. Okay. Quite simple packaging, which I like. Okay, no need to be so complex. Alright, so let me just keep this away. Alright. Always good to keep things outside. Keep it properly. Okay, now move on to the tablet itself. Alright guys. Okay, so this is the tablet itself. Let me just do the you know, have the privilege, you know, to take out this for the first time. And how do I get this out? Okay, I think I have to do this. I think I have to take out from here. Okay guys, alright, so this is it. Okay, I'm going to take out this. I hope I'm taking out the correct way. It looks like I have to take out quite forcefully, but I think it's the correct way, I guess. Alright, so this is it, I guess. I think I have to tear again. Alright, so yeah, I have to tear again. Okay. Wow, they really put in efforts, yeah. Okay, so this is it, guys. Alright, can you see my camera, my phone? I'm using a phone to record. Okay, so this feels quite heavy though. I feel it's a bit heavy, right? And overall the texture looks good. Okay, it feels good as well. Okay, metallic, very premium feel. Okay, so let me just take out the S Pen. If I'm not, the S Pen is supposed to stick onto here, right? Pointing up. Okay, can you guys see? It's pointing up. Okay, so I think overall, let me take out S Pen first. I think overall, very premium look. Okay, very well done from Samsung. Okay, this time round. Okay, I haven't purchased their tablet before. Just FYI for info. Yeah, the edges here are quite well made. It's very well made, very premium. Speakers, right guys, this is the speaker, this is the speaker here, and then this is a USB port, USB-C, another speaker port here. Okay, at the side, okay, I'm sure you guys can see, you can see the power button and the volume button. Okay, so I think this time their screen doesn't come with a screen protector. So later on I will also, do another video on on doing the screen protector as well. Alright, so let's look into it. Let me power on this whole thing. Alright, so let's see. Okay guys, I just finished setting up the this Samsung Tab S7 S7 Plus. Okay, so maybe I took out a camera. Okay, so overall initial impression, right, is I can really feel that how snappy it is. Okay, so if you can see, this is a 120 hertz screen, so that's why you see, right, the movement is very crisp. Okay, so that's why I decided to purchase this, because the rest of the gadget that we have, or the current one I have, is very, you can feel it's not very smooth. Okay, but when you actually use this, right, okay, immediately the moment I see it, and I feel it, right, it's very very smooth. Okay, so basically, right, okay, this one, right, let me just pull out the specs. Let me just Okay, so this is actually a 12.4 inch this tablet. Okay, so the main camera, right, okay, is actually 13 megapixel. The front camera, as you can see, I think it's here. Okay, the front camera. Okay, and the back camera, right, is actually 8 Mbps. Okay, let me show you guys, 8 Mbps. Okay, so this one has a RAM of like 8 GB. Okay, all right, and the weight is around 575 gram, and the best thing is this tablet has around 10,000 milliamp battery life. Okay, so basically I think overall this tablet is very very sturdy. Okay, I can't wait for their keyboard cover to come in, so that I can show you guys how amazing this one can be used or replaced as a laptop. Okay, so as I shared with you guys earlier, I'll be using this as a go-to media consumption and also laptop for work purpose. Okay, so you see, this is the screen. Probably let me show you guys. Not sure if it has a YouTube install. Right, let me just share with you. No, I don't think it has any YouTube. Let me try. Hi guys, so yeah, as you can see, this is the I played a video with the YouTube. Okay, I blast the music. I think it's amazing, the sound quality. Right, big fan of Eminem. Let me go to full screen. It's very very clear. Really no regret buying this tablet, guys. Really no regret. It's so crispy, so clear. Alright, so let me just off this. Right, so guys, overall, my first impression of this tablet is very very good. Okay, so I'm going to use this as my daily driver. Okay, to replace my iPad Air 2. Alright, and also for my work as well. Alright, so I think overall my verdict, out of 10, 10 being the best, of course, I'll give this tablet a 9. Okay, alright, I think most of the items, they are not perfect. Okay, I don't give 10 is because there must be something that probably, that I might not be liking in the future, which I'll make a video about it once I get to have more hands-on on this tablet as well. Okay, so guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy my video. I'm sorry for all the sudden pause of my video because I try to fix the things as I move along. So as usual, I will always work to to get for better content. I'm always improving. I hope you guys can support me by subscribing my channel and also like this video and share with your friends if you find that this video is very informative for your friends or family members. All right, so yeah, so today, all right, so thank you guys for joining me for the unboxing video for this Samsung Tab S7 Plus. I'm going to, after this, I'm going to paste the screen protector, which I'm going to do the video as well. I don't think I will have any voice over on that, so just keep a lookout. So subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, so that you guys can be notified of my new videos coming up. Okay, that's all, guys. Have a good night and peace to you guys and stay safe, guys. Okay, bye.